Moving on now, after the IB accused the NGOs like Greenpeace of hurting economic progress by campaigning against power projects and mining, the Ministry of Home Affairs has asked NGOs to intimate the Reserve Bank of India about all foreign transactions. This effectively means that all NGOs operating within India will now have to report transactions to the RBI before drawing money from foreign countries. The IB is probing several NGOs on misuse of foreign funds in commercial and terror activities. An earlier report by the intelligence to the new Prime Minister was recently leaked. It contained the most serious charges yet again against foreign-funded organizations, accusing them of trying to block projects that are key for development. Joining us on the phone line is Deepak Sharma, editor, Special Investigations Team. Deepak, this is a huge blow to NGOs functioning within India.
No, this pertains to the NGOs which have been seeking money from abroad, from foreign countries. Now, all these NGOs who are seeking money from abroad have to file annual reports with the Ministry of Home Affairs, but they were violating this rule. Secondly, most of this money, according to the IB investigation, was being diverted into commercial activities, to other nefarious activities, to the states where there are Naxal problems. So finally, Ministry of Home Affairs, on the instructions of Intelligence Bureau, have asked all the NGOs who have been seeking funds that before getting the funds, they have to inform the Reserve Bank of India how much amount they are getting, from where they are getting. Everything has to be in black and white before they seek funds. So this is a very crucial for all the NGOs, and now they have to abide by this new rule.
All right, Deepak, thanks for joining us on the phone line there.